Hi group, student of 10th standard बच्चे we are doing chapter number 4 entrepreneurial skill of subject computer. Today we will discuss the session number 3, that is role and significance or importance of the entrepreneurs. What is the importance of the entrepreneurs? See, entrepreneur is the builder of the economic growth because he takes the initiative and he create new things. He create wealth for himself and he create wealth for the organization and for their staff also. So what is the importance of the entrepreneur? First one is enterprising man. Business doesn't get started by the itself. It is the entrepreneur who takes the risk. He will start the business by taking the risk in return to get the profit, and he is willing to face the devastating failure, devastating, that is destructive failure. He braves uncertainty that will be happen in future. Something will be happen in future. He creates business. He create the industrial activity. His values and activities have become the integral part to the corporate culture, for the organization culture. So a entrepreneur is that person who start up a business. It takes initiate for taking all the risk and return to in return to get the profit and to produce the product for the customer requirements. Second is great achievers. Entrepreneurs are high achievers. They are challenged by the opportunities. They are willing to do hard work to achieve something. That's why we will call it entrepreneurs are considered to be an risk taker and the hard worker. They prefer to work at a problem rather than leave the outcome or giving chance to the others. So entrepreneur is considered to be a great achiever. He takes initiative, he takes decision according to the requirements of the consumers or the customer that are exist in the market. Reinvesting organization. Entrepreneur works on the organization continuously and he reinvests his organization on the continuously purpose. He knows there is a change required in the organization. He will take the initiate in entrepreneurs reinvest organization by the spirit of the change. Whatever the change that are required by the organization or that are required by the environment, that will be changed by an entrepreneurship, that will be reinvest. So there is a duty or there is a work of an entrepreneur who will reinvest the organization on a continuous basis. Job creation. Entrepreneur creates the organization. He integrates various factors of the production, land, labor. He promotes the industrial unit. He creates the job opportunities for the people. So the job creation by an entrepreneur is done by an entrepreneur because he creates the opportunities for the people. Those who are unemployed, they will get employment. So entrepreneur is considered to be an founder of the small scale units which create the jobs in the society. Next is first movers. Entrepreneurs are called the first movers. They move in various areas. They have the ability to identify the new market. Entrepreneurs can seek the opportunities and move quickly to take the advantages of them. That's why they will considered as the first mover. So they will take the advantage of them whenever they will see the opportunities that are available in the market. Higher productivity. Entrepreneurs have the ability to produce goods and services with less input. So they play an important role in raising productivity. Productivity, how they will considered how they will produce goods and services in an effective way with using less inputs, with using less cost. Yes. So higher productivity is chiefly a matter of improving production techniques. So, and this task is considered to be an entrepreneurial function of the excellence. Next is visionary leader. Entrepreneur has a good vision because he build up a new venture or new enterprise. So it's a vision of an entrepreneur, and they will he is able to complete his duties. He will able to take the initiatives to create new things, new products for the customer. He is considered to be a key force in successful moving the idea, and he has the sense of accomplishment. Next is economic prosperity. Entrepreneurs can bring about drastic change in the very structure of for the economic economy because in return they will get profit, they will get success. The status of an entrepreneur can be built up, and the status of the others, those parties who are doing work in the enterprise, it will be also raised. So wealth should be created by the entrepreneurs of himself also, and of their staff also, and for the economy of that country. So they are considered at the important source of economy development because they create jobs, they create wealth and capital in the country. Backbone of the capitalist system. See, capitalist economy is the one in which the freedom is the freedom to save, will save the money, invest to complete and operate any business. So entrepreneur plays a very important role in the enterprise because he controls the market by assuming the role of an competitor, because he compete in the market by producing a new innovative product for their consumers. Protector of society's interest. Entrepreneurs are criticized as self-interested exploiters. While they are considering some good for the society, partly reflected this view when Adam Smith wrote The Wealth of the Nations. In spite of their natural selfishness, they mean their only their convince, though the soul and which they purpose from the labors of all thousand. So he is considered to be a protector of society's interest in the societies. There are lot of groups that are exist, either customers, consumers, government, suppliers, and owners or shareholders. So entrepreneur protecting the society's interest. Next is catalytic agent. Entrepreneur creates new things from the destroyed things. He changed something new. He searches change and respond to it. So that's why he is considered to be a change creator. So without him, there is no happening, there is no action, and there is no growth of the business, of the enterprises, of the staff, or of the economy of the country. Ingredient of the modern production system. Entrepreneur has become the balancing wheel of modern global economy. They seek the unique product they will provide to their consumers. They change the technological frontiers and reshape public desires. So they create wealth for himself and for their staff and for the economy, and they provide employment to the peoples, those who are unemployed. So entrepreneurs are the key of the creation of the new enterprise that energizes the economy and regenerate the established enterprise that make up the economic structure. So it considered to be a very important role over the overall development of the country.